365 daily use English sentences with repetition practice. 1. I just woke up. I just woke up now. Yes, I just woke up. 2. Please, make the bed. Can you please make the bed? Please make the bed now. 3. Can you switch off the fan? Please switch off the fan. Turn off the fan, please. Parter. I'm feeling sleepy. Yes, I feel very sleepy. I'm really feeling sleepy now. 5. Let's have breakfast. Shall we have breakfast? Yes, let's eat breakfast. 6. Don't be late. Please don't be late. Try not to be late. 7. I'm going to take a shower. I will take a shower now. I'm going for a shower. 8. Please open the window. Can you open the window? Open the window, please. 9. Dinner is ready. Yes, dinner is ready now. The dinner is ready to eat. 10. I'm going to sleep now. Yes, I will sleep now. I'm going to bed now. Élevé. Did you brush your teeth? Have you brushed your teeth? Did you brush your teeth yet? 12. The water is too cold. This water feels too cold. Yes, the water is very cold. 13. Please bring me a glass of water. Can you bring me a glass of water? Please get me some water. 14. I'm feeling hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. I feel hungry now. 15. Let's order food online. We should order food online. Let's order something online. 16. Don't forget to lock the door. Please don't forget to lock the door. Remember to lock the door. 17. I'm cleaning my room. Yes, I am cleaning my room. I'm busy cleaning my room. 18. Please turn on the TV. Can you turn on the TV? Switch on the TV, please. 19. The Wi-Fi is not working. The Wi-Fi isn't working. Yes, the Wi-Fi is not working now. You gain. Can you charge my phone? Please charge my phone. Can you put my phone on charge? 21. I'm doing the laundry. Yes, I am doing the laundry. I'm washing the clothes. 22. Please fold the clothes. Can you fold the clothes? Please fold these clothes. 23. I need to iron this shirt. I must iron this shirt. Yes, I need to iron my shirt. 24. The kitchen is messy. The kitchen looks messy. Yes, the kitchen is very messy. 25. Let's cook something simple. We should cook something simple. Let's make something simple. 26. The milk is boiling. Yes, the milk is boiling. Look, the milk is boiling. 27. Don't waste food. Please don't waste food. Never waste food. 28. I'm washing the dishes. Yes, I am washing the dishes. I'm cleaning the dishes. 29. Please pass me the salt. Can you pass me the salt? Pass me the salt, please. 30. Lunch is ready. Yes, lunch is ready. Lunch is served. 31. I'm making tea. Yes, I'm preparing tea. I'm making some tea. 32. Would you like some coffee? Do you want some coffee? Would you like coffee? 33. Please close the fridge. Can you close the fridge? Close the fridge, please. 34. Don't touch that. It's hot. Please don't touch. It's hot. That's hot. Don't touch it. 35. I need to sweep the floor. I have to sweep the floor. Yes, I need to sweep the floor. 36. Please open the curtains. Can you open the curtains? Open the curtains, please. 37. It's too noisy outside. Outside is too noisy. Yes, it's very noisy outside. 38. The lights are flickering. Yes, the lights are flickering. The lights keep flickering. 39. I need to change the bedsheet. I must change the bedsheet. Yes, I need to change it. 40. Let's water the plants. We should water the plants. Let's go water the plants. 41. Please feed the cat. Can you feed the cat? Feed the cat, please. 42. The dog is barking loudly. Yes, the dog is barking loudly. The dog is barking so loud. 43. I'm reading a book. Yes, I am reading a book. I'm busy reading my book. 40 și 4. Don't disturb me right now. Please don't disturb me. Don't disturb me at this moment. 45. I'm watching a movie. Yes, I am watching a movie. I'm busy watching a movie. 46. Please lower the volume. Can you lower the volume? Lower the volume, please. 47. I'm writing something important. Yes, I am writing something important. I'm busy writing something important. 48. The electricity is gone. Yes, the power is gone. The electricity went off. 49. It's raining heavily. Yes, it's raining very heavily. Heavy rain is falling. 50. Let's play a board game. We should play a board game. Let's play a game together.